Okay, so the final brand I got here is the Trackmaster Push Along. This range was introduced in late 2018, early 2019, and is still going on to this day during all engines go. So the engines here are Thomas, Percy, James, Gordon, Emily, Nia, Rebecca, Victor, Kevin, Edward, and Shane. I believe these guys, minus these two, are all from the Solar Steamies pack. But despite the name of the despite the name of the pack, Kevin and Harold, who was also included, are not Steamies. They're road and air vehicles respectively. Yeah, I don't know why Victor is thrown into the set, but I guess he's quite popular with merch, so I guess that's why. The pack also includes all 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 the members of the new Steam team from 2018 up until the original series conclusion. Yeah, this range was introduced after after Adventures was discontinued. Sorry. This range was introduced after Adventures was discontinued by Fisher Price, and this range was meant to solve the problems that the latter had. But unfortunately, this range had problems of its own. The proportions aren't right, lack of detail, small tenders and stuff. But yeah, unfortunately, Emily is missing her front coupling, and it's starting to come loose. See? The reason for that is because these were from the previous owner, as I mentioned. Nia's coupling is a bit had a pretty long gap. Shane's is a bit, yeah, same with Shane. I guess the others should be okay. I guess I don't have much to talk about them. Except, why would they even make Kevin? I swear to God, they never get Kevin right in the merch line. But it's nice. But it's nice that these. Well, it's nice to have the normal Edward without the white dots, as well as Shane, whose push along model is starting to become hard to find. But anyways, that's it on the push along models, as well as this, as well as the other brands featuring engines and rolling stock. Oh, and cranes. Which brand is your favorite? Which ones do you like from this lot? Until then, as always, thank you very much for watching and bye for now.